Everyone, we're going down to get a very special package today. So here we go. Down, down, down. No knife, no knife. Hi everyone, it's Carrie from Live Accessible, and we just received our late Christmas present, 2 Google Home Minis, and today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing video for you. We've really enjoyed our Amazon Alexa assistant, but we wanted to try something new, and the Google Home Mini was on sale for $29, and I just couldn't resist that. And I really believe these home assistants are so great whether you're blind or sighted, because it's just so much easier to talk to them instead of pulling out your phone or using another device. So it's just a really great accessibility product. Alright, let's get into it. Alright everyone, so let's get this open. So, okay. Let's see right here. And just cut right here. Boop. Put that away before the baby gets to it. And let's open the box. This is the black version, and this one is the white and gray version. Let's go ahead and open the black one first. And let's do the same to the white one. Plastic, plastic, plastic. So it has a little tear-off tab on the side. We'll just open it up, and there's the Google Home Mini right on top. So we'll put that on the side. Oh, it has orange on the bottom. Okay. And let's see what else it comes with. Some paperwork, a get started, and it looks like a wire or a plug. Okay, and anything else in the box? Nope. And that's it. We've had an Alexa for the past couple of years now, and we have 3 of them. So I'm really excited to see what the Google Home can do. It has like this orange texture that has some rubber on it to help it to stop sliding. And so the whole top is a speaker, and you can feel the top part has this, I don't know, fabric texture on top of it. And then it has the plug here. With a cable at the top at 12 o'clock, you can press and hold any part of the Google Home to pause or play, and you can tap the left side of the device to lower the volume or the right side to raise the volume. One thing I really like is that the mic switch on the side of the device, if you move it,
the mic's off.
It announces it for you, and when you put it back,
the mic's back on.
There you go. That's a nice little touch that I like from Google. Let's go ahead and see if the black one is the same. So I'll go ahead and open it. Open it up, and there's the black Google Home Mini. And it also has orange on the bottom. That's cool. It has the same getting started guide and the same plug. Alright everyone, well that's it for now. That's it for our unboxing, and we'll be making videos on how to set these up and how it stacks up against Alexa. And if there's anything that you guys want to know, leave that in the comments below so that we can try to figure it out. I hope you all had a very happy holidays and a happy new year. 2019 is here, and we have so many fun things planned for our video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to keep up with our latest videos and all our tips and tricks and advice on how to live more accessible. And I've got to go before somebody destroys something over here. We'll see you guys next time. Bye! Two, three, four, five, and